So while I've got the nose off the car, I'm going to take the time to restore these headlights. They look terrible. They're really cloudy. They don't work well at night. And I've seen some other people that had good luck with this product, so I decided I'm going to use Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer. We're going to give this a shot. If you need instructions on taking the nose off the car, also there'll be a link down in the description below, and you can use that. The process, it's not too difficult. The bolts and the type of the fender are the hard part. So anyway, let's get to work on restoring these headlights. All right, step one is to use the lens clarifying compound. You're going to take a clean cotton towel, terry cloth. You're going to apply this to the towel, and then you're going to rub this in with firm pressure. Then you need to buff it clean with another clean towel. I'm just going to use the other side of the one I'm using. I don't know how well you can see that, but it looks better already. But it's not perfectly clear, so we're going to do a little bit more to it. Next, we're going to use the green pad and the spray lubricant, and it says only do this on the parts that still need restoration. I can see some spots down in here and along the edges that need it, so we're going to go ahead and do that next. Okay, then once you've gone over it with the green side, you want to flip it over and use the tan side and go the opposite direction with the way you went. So I went back and forth, so I'm going to go up and down to do this, and you want to make sure you keep it wet while you're doing this. So after you've done that one, then you have a pad that has one teal side and a purple side. So we want to start with the teal side, and we're going to go back and forth again. And then when we're done doing the teal side, we're going to flip over to the purple and go up and down. All right, once you're done with that, you want to wipe the lens off. Still looks a little foggy, but we'll see what happens here. And then you go back over it with the clarifying compound. Okay, so there's the finished product after the buffing. I think it looks a lot better. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good if you look at it compared to the other one. So this one here is like super cloudy. And this one here is definitely much better. So I think that'll do. We'll call it good. Okay, so now we're going to do the other headlight because there's a sealant that you put on over this, but you want to do both headlights with the sealant at the same time. So I'm going to do the other headlight off camera, and then we're going to put the sealant on. So back in a second. And take a look at that. Here's the driver's side. There's the passenger side. They're not perfect, but they definitely look way better than they did before. And that's going to work a lot better at night. So anyway, I would certainly recommend it. Again, this is Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer, and this stuff is pretty good, and it doesn't take very long. Super easy. I would highly recommend it. All right, so thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.